Hi, good day. I am A3 Antonio, Technical Manager from Computrends System Technology Incorporated. Today, I will talk about Dassault System SIMULIA product, SIMULIA Abaqus, the power portfolio. Before I start with SIMULIA Abaqus, I'd like to introduce to you the company behind SIMULIA, the Dassault Systems. Dassault Systems stands for the 3DEXPERIENCE company. As you can see, we have more than 13,000 passionate people across the globe that are at the heart of the company. A large R&D team connected across 54 laboratories, delivering simultaneously combined softwares for our 3DEXPERIENCE solution. Dassault Systems has the largest PLM market share with 190,000 customers in 12 industries worldwide. A fundamental aspect of 3DS is partnering with the client who are leaders in their own industry segments, typically leaders in the innovation and on the cutting edge of technology in order to answer tomorrow's market needs. Our ecosystem of 10,000 selected partners increases our collective knowledge in the areas of sales and services, software development, education, and social development. SIMULIA is one of Dassault Systems' brand to simulate products, nature, and life. So meron pa siya mga ibang brands like SolidWorks, okay, DraftSight, and others. So we have 1,050 employees worldwide, which is located in Rhode Island, with an additional 12 R&D location, focused on deepening the capability we deliver in our product portfolios. We have a very large user community, over 150,000 users, covering all industries, many countries, and nearly all roles who benefit from simulation that powers innovation. So, let's talk about SIMULIA's foundation. It is obviously Abaqus, the world's technology leading suite of finite element analysis software for realistic simulation. We provide the most powerful, complete solution for both routine and sophisticated engineering problems across the full spectrum of industrial application. So kung makikita nyo, we have from linear to nonlinear, to implicit and explicit dynamics, to contact analysis, hanggang co-simulation composites. Meron tayo dyan. Okay? Abaqus can perform simulation from basic linear to highly advanced nonlinear multi-physics large assembly simulation. Typically, our customers start with simple models and increase complexity, model size, and physics as they grow confident in their simulation result and increase their expertise, and most importantly, find value in the simulation. Our simulation technology is a multi-purpose simulation tool that serves 12 different industries. To name just a few, we have the transportation and mobility, we have the aerospace and defense, high-tech or the electronic sector, life sciences. Those are some of the industries that we cater to. Okay? What's all about the power or portfolio? Let's have a look back to the beginning of Abaqus and the early times of simulation. Abaqus has been founded by 3 founders in 1978 in Rhode Island, USA. So, as you can see, medyo matagal na. It's older than me, believe it or not. Okay? So, Abaqus joined Dassault Systems in 2005 to become a realistic simulation brand, which is SIMULIA. Since then, our Abaqus technology has been heavily gone through an evolution process. Also, SIMULIA brand has evolved with time. We acquired different companies with amazing technologies and talented people. Like in 2008, Ingenious, we acquired it with Eyesight. We acquired FE Design with Tosca Structure and Tosca Fluid in 2013. At the same time, Safe Technology was added to SIMULIA product or to the power portfolio in 2013. So, from solve to innovate. Of course, we want to solve it, of course, for us to be able to have innovation in our products. In the beginning of virtual physics simulation was mainly used for virtual testing and validation of manually created design concepts. The design obtained by the experience of skilled engineers have been virtually tested before moving forward to a real prototype and expensive workbench testing. With the increasing power of simulation, the full potential of realistic simulation is going to be revealed when using simulation consequently through the development process. Not only test your design, let your simulation help you to engineer the best possible design suitable for your application. Like on this video on the right, okay, here we see an engineering task to design a flow splitter equally distributing a flow from one inlet to 3 outflows. Instead of manually creating different geometries and testing them by simulation, use a topology optimization to let you find the perfect geometry to fulfill your requirements. Would you ever have envisioned such a design? So usually we try trial and error. Okay, but this time there's a tool that can help us to visualize more the design and we can able to kumbaga i-optimize natin. Okay? Let us help you with the power of the portfolio to move from solve to innovate to create innovative designs. Let simulation power innovation. Broaden your innovation toolset to take simulation upfront in your product development process. Start your design process in conceptual optimization, continue with detailed design optimization, add fatigue and durability to predict your component lifetime, and integrate your CAE tools to automate your proven workflows to scale and repeat your engineering successes. All of the tools are available within the power of the portfolio. We have the Abaqus, a proven finite element analysis technology. We have Eyesight, a process integration and design optimization capabilities. Tosca, a structural and fluid flow optimization for conceptual and detailed design. And FE Safe, a fatigue and durability tool to predict and analyze your product life. It's not about a set of different technologies. It's about the combination of technologies to reveal the full potential of the power portfolio technologies. Get the full potential through combined application of interoperable state-of-the-art technologies. Our technologies are interoperable and their value for your engineering process increase with their possible combination. Let's talk about business value using the power portfolio. It's not about just have a set of technologies bundled in a unified license scheme. It's about interoperable technologies with coordinated release, schedule, and updates. So we also have flexibility, which one license pool, so you can have less often running of missing license, more homogeneous token usage throughout the whole development process. Also, scalability, which more token allows for technology combination and higher parallelization for faster turnaround. And openness, integration of third-party software are applicable for this. Instead of pure Abaqus usage, now go ahead with Eyesight and automate your standard engineering process, including third-party tools to easily repeat your proven processes. and less organizational and IT efforts to manage your CAE technologies. So let's have a look at the values of the power portfolio technologies offer. First, realistic simulation, the foundation of SIMULIA. It offers linear and nonlinear finite element analysis. It has the implicit and explicit dynamics. We have contact analysis, fracture, composite, and cost simulation. Next is high-performance computing. Realistic simulation is valuable, true, or HPC to achieve rapid turnarounds even for large-scale analysis. We also have the process integration and design optimization. It automates and shares engineering processes. It has the capability to integrate multiple tools, parametric design optimization, and you can have your robustness analysis. We also do or cater the values of non-parametric optimization. We have the topology, okay, which is the structural topology, sizing, shape, bid optimization. We can also calculate for fluid topology optimization and others. One advantage of the SIMULIA portfolio is it can be integrated with CAD systems, such as CATIA, SolidWorks, and other CAD systems. We can also do fatigue and durability analysis, which can predict the life of your products. So why do we need more than Abaqus? What is the benefit of moving to simulation-driven design creation tools? So, like example, NAFEMS has conducted a simulation capability survey asking to name the CAE technologies with most positive impact on their organization's business today. You'll find all major technologies on the left, like linear static and all kinds of nonlinear capabilities as contact and material behavior. Another question has been asked, okay, on which CAE technologies would provide benefit if this would be being applied and would be applied more consequent in their organization. At top of this list is optimization and fracture and fatigue at number 2. These are the technologies being underutilized. They would like to apply these technologies to support their daily engineering work to create innovative product solution more easily. If you have a look at overall list of CAE technologies being asked for, you will realize that all of these are offered by SIMULIA. We want to offer our technology as easy and scalable as possible. That's why we deliver most of these solutions as part of the power portfolio. Let's have a very short overview about the power portfolio technologies. First, Abaqus, world's technology leading suite of finite element analysis software, which we can do realistic simulation with FEA and multiphysics, complete solution for vast spectrum of industrial application, complex materials, assembly, contacts, fracture and failure, and rapid turnaround with high-performance computing. We also have the EyeSight, which automates design, exploration, and optimization. It accelerates product development, automates simulation process flow, open component framework, extensive library of design exploration tools. Then we also have TOSCA, which can optimize structural design and fluid flow system. So you can get innovative designs, you can accelerate product development, realistic optimization result considering nonlinearities, full design freedom for your design optimization, and seamless integration with the leading FEA and CFD solvers. And lastly, we have the FE-Safe durability analysis software for finite element models. It reduces product recalls and warranty costs, validate design and test programs, improve correlation between the test and analysis, seamless integration also with leading FEA solvers. So, Abaqus. Okay? Let's talk about a little on Abaqus, a realistic simulation. Abaqus can perform simulation from basic linear to highly advanced nonlinear multiphysics large assembly simulation. We cover all industries from consumer packaged goods, to life sciences, aerospace and defense, automotive and transportation, high-tech, architectural, industrial equipment, and energy. What are the key drivers and differentiators for Abaqus? It's finite element and multiphysics. So you can do linear and nonlinear. It has also complex materials, model preparation and result interpretation, complex assemblies, contact fracture and failure, and high performance computing. Eyesight is a process integration and design optimization. So why do we need eyesight, or why eyesight? Like this, we have a testimonial from one of the customer, Baker Hughes. Before using eyesight, 2 months of analysis had been required to ascertain an acceptable geometry. With eyesight, the development period was reduced to 2 days. So, laking from 2 months to 2 days. So, what are the key drivers and differentiators for eyesight? So, it integrates disparate simulation tools without programming. Automate simulation process flow. Optimize design with advanced technologies. Improve efficiency. Accelerate product designs. Reduce manual errors. And analysis for many more alternatives. So, yun yung mga samples ng what are the key drivers for eyesight. So, now let's talk about Tosca, the optimization suite. Tosca optimization suite consists of several different optimization modules to solve different specific optimization tasks. One of them is Tosca structure topology. It is an optimization solution to find in an early product development phase optimized design concept. Like, for example, with maximum stiffness or minimum weight. We have the Tosca structure sizing that allows to reduce the mass through optimized sheet thickness. We also have Tosca structure shape that is intended for a later product development phase to optimize existing design and to improve product performance by slightly changing the shape of the surface. This reduces the local stress peaks and thus increase durability. We also have the Tosca structure bead, which allows to increase the stiffness or eigen frequency by adding beads to structures or to sheet structures. And lastly, we have the Tosca fluid topology, which offers topology optimization capabilities to obtain the optimized channel flow with reduced pressure drop. So what are the key drivers for Tosca? It is fast, it is reliable, and innovative. So let's talk about FESafe, a durability analysis software tool for finite element models. So what would be the benefit if you're going to have FESafe in your company? It can help you to accurately identify the fatigue hotspot. It can optimize your designs to use for less material. It can reduce the product recalls and warranty costs. It helps you to validate your designs and test programs. It improves the correlation between the test and analysis. It can reduce the prototype test times or speed up the analysis time, thereby reducing man-time hours. When developing FESafe, these are the key drivers that we believe differentiate the FESafe from other fatigue codes. With FESafe, accuracy is the key. And that is the powered portfolio from SIMULIA. We have Abaqus, Eyesight, Tosca, and FESafe. I'd like to close in a video, and let's watch this. I'd like to thank you and keep safe. Bye.